Hi, squad families. This is Mrs. Marshall. Mrs. Price, Mrs. Thyssen, and I have been in contact all morning, and we wanted to put together a little tutorial on how to log into Classlink, because really, if you can log into Classlink, you can access all the other apps that we have been talking about, whether it's Epic, BrainPop Junior, or Seesaw. So what you need to do is go to classlink.com. And then you will click on login, and then you'll go to this screen. So I don't want you to be frustrated once you get here, because you click this login here option and it has all of this on here. You need to just ignore this part, and you're actually going to click this option right here. What happens is once you click on it, your laptop or tablet camera should turn on, and then that's where you scan the QR code that we sent. I put mine for my homeroom in their take-home folder. I taped it on the inside of their take-home folder, either next to their Dreambox login or on the other side of the folder. I believe Mrs. Price and Mrs. Thyssen, they either stapled or paper clipped your child's quick card with the stack of papers that we sent last week in their take-home folder. So once you click on this and you scan your card, it's going to log you in, and it will show you all the apps just like on my page. So you should have all the apps that come up in here, like Epic. BrainPop Junior is a really great site you guys can go to. ABC, has tons of educational learning games that are super fun. Kids National Geographic. These are math apps that you might hear me reference as part of my math lesson. So actually this Geoboard app is something you might want to use for day 3 of math, which would be Friday. And then even the Pattern Shapes app is something you might want to use as well. And then you can also get to the Storyline Online. You can get to Tumble Books through here. And then most importantly, Seesaw. If you remember, Seesaw is where we are going to be posting everything as far as student work. It's really important, grown-ups, that when you're posting, you're not just posting to the journal like this. If I were to do add post student work, because then it's hard for your homeroom teacher to have to sort through all their work. What's nice about the activities feature is that when you click on it and you do your add response, this is what it looks like from the teacher's end when I take a look at all the work. I can see exactly who has posted their work, and it's directly under your child's name. So then it's a lot easier for your homeroom teacher to sort through all the Reader's Workshop lessons, Writer's Workshop lessons, math, and so on. So please make sure that as your child's completing their work, that they're completing it through the activities option. Remember, you also have the option to send messages through the inbox, and we would appreciate it if you could just send them through here, so that way it's not going to email or to Seesaw. It's just all streamlined into Seesaw. So again, please reach out to your homeroom teacher if you have any questions, and we hope that your first day of virtual learning is going well, and we hope that you stay safe and you stay healthy, and hopefully we get to see you soon.